Right, I just bought this 420 T420 off eBay, and it's a good machine. The only thing is, it came with no hard drive, so obviously I've got my Windows 7, because I prefer Windows 7 installation disc, and the CD player, DVD player, sorry, but the boot menu only says the new hard drive that I've put in, which is a 160 gigabyte SSD. So usually you go into the boot menu, which I'll do now. Damn it, I should have gone to application menu then, but no on. I'll just reboot it. Took me hours to figure out this. I've been on all the forums and that, and I couldn't find an answer. So basically, you go to F1 to go into your BIOS. It was telling me to go to startup, select both for UEFI and Legacy first, but it still wouldn't go, and then I accidentally went to the top one and pressed enter, and it shows you your boot priority order. If you click down, it says excluded from the boot priority order. If you look here, it says to enable and disable devices, use the exclamation mark. So you have to press the shift button and the exclamation mark. So I'm going to do that on USB, because I probably will boot on USB one day. And I'm going to go back down again and select my DVD. So that's it, all boot drives, boot priority order. It's going to try the Intel, then the USB, and then the DVD. Make sure you save your settings. I never do, but this time I have. So save and exit, it should reboot and boot from the CD. After obviously trying the blank hard drive and there's nothing in the USB. So hopefully it should go to Windows files now. Yay! So that's it. If you can't get it to boot, try that.